Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $6,500, Greenville, New York. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Electroglide captures the classic American touring experience with its iconic 80 cubic inch shovelhead V-twin engine. Known for comfortable highway cruising and unmistakable Harley-Davidson character, these FLH models remain favorites among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This original paint example is reported to run, ride, and stop well. Features include an S&S Super E carburetor, 4-speed transmission, dual fishtail pipes, a factory Comfort Flex seat system, and a detachable tour pack. The chrome shows some age-related wear, but it adds to the bike's authentic vintage appeal and makes for a fun cruiser with plenty of personality. Number 2. 1967 Triumph Tiger TR500, $4,100, Woodstock, Vermont. The 1967 Triumph Tiger TR500 represents the lightweight performance and timeless styling that made Triumph one of Britain's most respected motorcycle manufacturers. Its parallel twin engine and classic design continue to attract collectors who appreciate vintage British motorcycles. The seller describes this Tiger as a sound motorcycle that was enjoyed regularly before being stored for more than a decade. Although it hasn't been started in years, it offers a promising foundation for an enthusiast looking to revive a classic Triumph and return it to the road. Number 3. 1985 Honda Goldwing Limited Edition, $5,900, Littleton, Massachusetts. The 1985 Honda Goldwing Limited Edition was one of the most advanced touring motorcycles of its time. Featuring fuel injection, a smooth 1200cc engine, and numerous comfort-focused features, it helped establish the Goldwing as a benchmark for long-distance touring. With only 17,000 miles, this example has received extensive maintenance, including new tires, timing belts, fork seals, brake pads, and fresh fluids throughout. The seller reports that it runs and drives like new, while retaining premium features such as air suspension, CB radio, and an AM/FM cassette system. Number 4. 1982 BMW R100, $3,200, Douglas, Massachusetts. The 1982 BMW R100 is a classic air-cooled boxer twin known for reliability, comfort, and long-distance capability. BMW's R-Series motorcycles earned a strong reputation among riders seeking dependable performance and distinctive German engineering. This motorcycle recently received new tires, along with a service that included fresh fluids and filters. The seller states that it runs well, has a clear title, and has already been inspected, making it an affordable entry into classic BMW ownership. Number 5. 1983 Yamaha Virago Cafe, $2,200, Henniker, New Hampshire. The Yamaha Virago became one of the most recognizable V-twin motorcycles of the 1980s and remains a popular platform for custom builds. Its unique styling and dependable design have made it a favorite among cafe racer and custom motorcycle enthusiasts. This 1983 example has been transformed into a cafe-style custom and is described as an exceptionally well-executed build. The seller notes that everything works properly and the engine turns over quickly, making it a distinctive showpiece with strong vintage-inspired character. Number 6. 1974 Moto Guzzi V7 Sport, $8,000, Johnstown, New York. The 1974 Moto Guzzi V7 Sport is widely regarded as one of the most important motorcycles in the company's history. Known for its distinctive transverse V-twin engine and impressive handling, the V7 Sport helped establish Moto Guzzi as a serious player in the performance motorcycle market during the 1970s. This two-owner example shows low mileage and includes documentation, manuals, a luggage rack, and extra parts. Updates include Dell'Orto PHF 32A carburetors, electronic ignition, and a new battery. While the motorcycle still needs some work, it offers an excellent opportunity to own one of Moto Guzzi's most respected classic models. Number 7. 1974 Suzuki GT185, $5,500, North Waterboro, Maine. The 1974 Suzuki GT185 is a lightweight two-stroke twin that reflects the fun and simplicity of Japanese motorcycles from the era. With its lively engine, compact size, and attractive styling, the GT185 remains a favorite among collectors who appreciate classic two-stroke machines. This remarkable example has only 2,100 original miles and retains its original paint. The seller notes that it earned a national first-place award at an AACA event in Pennsylvania and has been carefully maintained and stored throughout its life. For collectors seeking an exceptionally preserved Suzuki, this GT185 stands out as a very special find. Number 8. 1977 Triumph Bonneville 750, $3,000, Boonville, New York. The 1977 Triumph Bonneville 750 represents one of the final generations of the legendary British twin that helped define motorcycling for decades. Known for its classic styling, strong torque, and loyal following, the Bonneville remains one of the most recognizable Triumph models ever produced. This example is described as running and riding exactly as it should after receiving professional attention last year. Recent work includes a new chain and sprockets, rear tire, brake components, battery, seat cover, and carburetor servicing. With much of the maintenance already completed, this Bonneville appears ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 9. 1980 Kawasaki KZ550 LTD, $2,700, Oxford, Connecticut. The 1980 Kawasaki KZ550 LTD combines reliable four-cylinder performance with the custom-inspired styling that became popular during the late 1970s and early 1980s. The KZ series earned a strong reputation for durability, making these motorcycles popular choices for both riders and restorers today. According to the seller, this motorcycle has undergone a major refresh and cleanup that brought it back to running and riding condition while preserving its vintage character. With a clean Connecticut registration and plenty of classic Kawasaki personality, it offers an affordable entry into vintage motorcycle ownership. Number 10. 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $5,000, Ludlow, Massachusetts. The 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 comes from the highly desirable Ironhead era and delivers the raw riding experience that many Harley enthusiasts continue to appreciate. Featuring a kickstart-only setup and classic custom styling, this Sportster captures the spirit of old-school American motorcycling. This custom example features a wide tire swing arm and has reportedly received extensive attention over the past 2 decades of ownership. The seller describes it as a reliable rider that typically starts within a couple of kicks and is suitable for regular use. For buyers seeking a vintage Harley with proven road manners and custom character, this Sportster offers plenty of appeal. Number 11. 1971 Yamaha XS650, $5,500, Blackwood, New Jersey. The 1971 Yamaha XS650 helped establish Yamaha as a major force in the twin-cylinder motorcycle market. Often praised for combining classic British-inspired styling with Japanese reliability, the XS650 remains one of the most popular vintage motorcycles among riders and collectors today. This restored example is described as a strong runner that starts easily and has always been stored indoors. It features a professional repaint, clean oil, and a clean title in the seller's name. With its attractive presentation and proven reputation, this XS650 appears ready to be enjoyed on the road. Number 12. 1981 BMW R65, $4,000, Dubois, Pennsylvania. The 1981 BMW R65 offers the distinctive boxer twin character that made BMW motorcycles famous around the world. Smaller and lighter than some of its larger stablemates, the R65 delivers a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience while maintaining BMW's reputation for durability. This well-maintained example recently received service and a tune-up and is reported to start, run, and ride very well. A reproduction seat complements the bike's original appearance, while the exhaust system remains in notably nice condition. For riders seeking a classic BMW that's ready to ride, this R65 presents an appealing option. Number 13. 1969 Honda CB, $3,500, Harwinton, Connecticut. The 1969 Honda CB represents the era when Honda was rapidly earning a reputation for producing reliable and easy-to-own motorcycles. Classic CB models continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their straightforward design, smooth performance, and timeless styling. According to the seller, this motorcycle is turnkey and ready to ride. With only about 9,000 miles showing and a clean title included, it offers a simple and affordable opportunity to own a vintage Honda that can be enjoyed immediately. Number 14. 1988 Harley-Davidson FLS-TC Heritage Softail Classic, $5,200, Fairview, Pennsylvania. The 1988 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic blends nostalgic styling with the comfort and presence that help define Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles. With its classic fenders, chrome accents, and V-twin power, the FLS-TC remains a favorite among riders who appreciate traditional Harley design. This example features a rebuilt engine with approximately 12,000 miles accumulated since the work was completed. The seller describes the motorcycle as mechanically solid, strong running, and equipped with numerous custom upgrades and chrome accessories. It appears to be a well-cared-for Harley, ready for many more miles of cruising. Number 15. 1981 Honda CB900 Custom, $500, Wilton, Connecticut. The 1981 Honda CB900 Custom was part of Honda's effort to blend performance, comfort, and custom-inspired styling into a versatile package. Powered by a smooth inline-4 engine, the CB900 earned a reputation for strong performance and dependable engineering. This motorcycle is being offered as a project or parts bike and includes a detachable windjammer fairing along with a 4x1 chrome exhaust system. The carburetors have been rebuilt and the fuel tank was recently sealed, but additional work is needed, including carburetor synchronization and brake repairs. At just $500, it could be an interesting restoration candidate for the right enthusiast. Thanks for joining us on Moto Market Explorer. We hope you enjoyed this collection of classic motorcycles from across the United States. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more vintage motorcycle finds. We'll see you in the next ride.